Hi, I'm Jack Iscliffe from the Harkov-Lewis team at Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to 130 Jane Street here in the West Village, apartment 3K, 2K. This beautiful duplex has so many features. Let's take a look around together. My bet is if you stop 10 random New Yorkers on the street and ask them, what New York neighborhood would you most want to live in? The West Village would easily come back as their most desired neighborhood. You have majestic and beautifully maintained townhomes, tree-lined winding streets, and those Hudson River breezes. Add in a distinct lack of high-rises and all the world-class yet hidden restaurants, quaint shops, and specialty retail, and you have an area that is perhaps the single greatest urban enclave in the United States. 130 Jane is a rare full-service building, a true rarity in this brownstone-dominated neighborhood. This spacious two-bedroom, two-bath duplex is warm, inviting, and incredibly livable. As you enter from the third floor, you are immediately struck by the home's expansive, loft-like layout. This is open-concept living, but with warmth. The high ceilings, oversized windows, subtle brickwork, vintage oak floors, and a living room-centered fireplace all work together to create an elegant and charming environment. The chef's kitchen features a Bosch range, Bosch fridge, Bosch dishwasher, and tremendous cabinet space complete the kitchen. As you head downstairs to the second floor, you first encounter a dedicated den complete with a lovely built-in that houses a hidden washer and dryer. You also have a full second bath, extra office space, and two lovely bedrooms. The primary king-size bedroom is quiet and peaceful, yet gets great light and has ample closet space. The second bedroom currently features a delightful sleeping loft and has a flexible layout if you wanted to easily convert this to a guest room or for any of your growing needs. Given all the delights the neighborhood offers, you won't want to stay inside for too long, but the truth is this duplex at 130 Jane could easily cocoon you for days at a time. So thanks again for visiting 130 Jane Street, apartment 3K, 2K with us today. If you'd like to see it in person, please reach on out to myself, Jack Iscliffe, or any member of the team, and we'll get you in right away.